Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply the same video transition to all of your videos at once in CapCut PC. So if you want to add video transitions, make sure you have more than one clip. I have established that many times, so I'm just going to show you. I added these clips, right, and I'm going to go to the transitions bit right here, and I want to add the same, for instance, this circular one. Actually, let's do this vertical blur one. So I'm just going to add it, and I'm going to press OK. Then what you're going to do is you're going to want to set the duration a little bit, and you're going to apply to all. And it's going to automatically be applied to all of your videos, so you don't have to add it one by one. It's very useful if you're just creating a compilation of your videos. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.